I wish I had your number in private. To the beautiful Rasta young sister that I see ask, what do I mean when I say the Maroons said they were going to give the House of Parliament back to the PNP because the Jamaica Labour Party disrespected them? Jamaican people don't have a leader, sweetheart. Jamaican people, all the leaders of Jamaican people were either killed or suppressed or, pushed back. What we have are groups that want to lead, have always wanted to lead the Jamaican people. Now we see even the Pan-Africanists, them want to come lead Jamaican people. Labour right want to stay leading Jamaican people. PNP want to come back, come lead Jamaican people. They're all leading Jamaican people to their deluge. And everyone that comes along and try to lead Jamaica people to them true self, to them true potentials, to being the true people that they really are, capable of leading themselves. Henceforth, why you have the greater majority of Jamaicans not voting, never nominated before. What they want now is that group of Jamaicans to hurry up and go to the polls to nominate and to vote them in. But it will only be giving away the rest of our souls to them. So my beautiful Rasta sister, we cannot speak everything in layman's term on this social media space. But the Maroons vote. You have some who disagree with the voting and you have some who vote for these different parties. And in return, they get favors. Seeing? So when when the Maroons are uniting and coming in front of you and parading and talking about how they love Jamaican people and stand up with the PNP or stand up with the JLP, that's them supporting their agendas against you, the people. You, the people, have the power to ask them more questions than you're asking them. Who are they really batting for when they stand up with either of these political parties? Are they standing up for you or on a side against you? Check it for yourself.